so excited to be here with you guys. We have, how many viewers do we have right now?
37.
There's 37 viewers.
41.
Thank you for watching and joining us. 40 viewers, wow. So welcome and thank you for joining us from the comforts of your home for the Torrance Education Foundation virtual event and car raffle drawing. I'm Shireen Osanlo, the Executive Director for the event. Joining me is Martha Deutsch, our Torrance Education Foundation President.
Hi there.
We are so grateful to everyone at TEF and in our community for donating to our virtual auction. It just closed at 7 p.m. and we had some amazing items. Thank you for being a donor and contributing to the Torrance Education Foundation. If you are able to help us reach our goal of $20,000 for Torrance Unified School District, you can donate to www.tefevent.givesmart.com and the link will be dropped in the comment section.
Thank you, Shireen. I first want to thank the South Bay Lexus dealership here in Torrance for hosting our special event. And we are so excited to be picking the winner of this incredibly beautiful 2020 Lexus NX300 hybrid SUV. I also want to publicly thank Claudette Amrati for being our contact and helping us with just the whole event. And also thank you again for this generosity of the South Bay Lexus and Torrance for this incredible hybrid. So on to Shireen.
Before we get started with the car raffle drawing, we would like to acknowledge and thank all of our incredible sponsors who stuck with us while we transitioned from a live event to a virtual event. Our sustaining sponsor is Toyota Motor Corporation. Our platinum sponsors are Sarah's Regis, Torrance Refining Company, Robinson Helicopter, Balfour Beatty, and our gold sponsor are Marcel Family Foundation, Keenan and Associates, Prologus, LA Galaxy, Contemporary Services Corporation, Continental Development, Atkinson, Anderson, Goya, Rude, and Romo. Our silver sponsors are Connectcap, Burke, William, and Sorensen, Modern Woodmen of America, Rico, Learning A to Z, Surf Management Inc., South Bay Lexus, Water Replenishment District, Edgenuity, School Services of California, HMC Architects, US Bank, Cal State University Dominguez Hills, Parker and Covert LLP, Pinnacle Claims Management Inc. Our bronze sponsors are Chief 3000, STEM Scopes, Schools First Credit Union, Charles McDonough Accounting Corporation, Farmers and Merchant Bank, California Credit Union, Whole Foods, Torrance Memorial Foundation, Burco, and Torrance Police Officers Association. Thank you so much to all of our incredible sponsors and supporters.
Okay, at this point in our quick program is we would like to take a moment to acknowledge our superintendent for the Torrance Unified School District, Dr. George Mannon. We would like to thank him for his support and dedication to the Ed Foundation as well as to our community. He will be retiring at the end of the school year, June 30th. So he wanted me to read a little note from himself. I would like to express my appreciation to Torrance Ed Foundation and all of its members for the strong support I have received over the last 15 years. Thank you. So that comes from Dr. Mannon. And we also would like to announce a very, very exciting partnership that we have had with the Torrance Council of PTAs to announce a scholarship in Dr. Mannon's honor for his legacy here at the Torrance Unified School District. This scholarship was made possible by the generosity of the following PTAs. From our elementary schools, Adams, Arlington, Arnold, Carr, Edison, Fern, Hickory, Lincoln, Riviera, Seaside, Torrance, Towers, Victor, and Wood Elementary Schools. Middle School, Birtland, Casimir, Magruder, and Richardson Middle Schools, and our high schools, North, South, Torrance, and West High School, as well as the Torrance Council of PTAs. And so far we have collected and we received a total of $2,100 donations. Thank you again to the generosity of these PTAs.
We invite our community at this time to donate to the Dr. Manning Scholarship. If you are able, please visit our donations page, which we dropped in the link in the comment section of our Facebook Live post. As you know, education is greatly being affected right now during this pandemic. The Torrance Education Foundation has been working endlessly with the Torrance Unified School District to provide better learning opportunities for our students. With distance learning and state budget cuts coming into effect right now, it's really imperative that we have the support of all of our community and supporters to help in our 24,000 Torrance students as we try to provide better opportunities for our students during this time. If you are able to contribute to our fund, we are more than halfway to our goal of $20,000. Please do so by visiting tefevent.givesmart.com. Any donation is greatly appreciated and will help support TEF as we provide better opportunities for learning for the Torrance Unified School District. Now, the moment that you all have been waiting for, we are going to auction off this beautiful 2020 Lexus NX300h SUV. This car is a SUV that is a 4-cylinder turbo. It has state-of-the-art features that other dealerships charge for, but Lexus South Bay does not charge for those additional features. We are so excited, and it's just an amazing car. So Claudette Andrade is our representative from South Bay Lexus, and she's going to pick our raffle ticket winner. The winner is Raquel San Luis. Ticket numbers 2677.
Woo! Yay!
Raquel San Luis from North High School.
Yay!
Raquel!
Yay!
We will be in contact with Raquel regarding the car. So thank you so much for that. Thank you, Claudette. You're welcome.
This angle. Yeah.
Okay. Congratulations to Raquel from North High School. It's a beautiful car, and I am very tempted my next car might be one of these, but so we'll see. Again, I would like to thank so much all the sponsors and everyone that purchased tickets and has supported our auctions, and we're just so excited that we were able to at least do a virtual program tonight because we didn't know how everything was going to work out. But I just want to thank everyone and Lexus again for hosting this incredible event virtually, and Shereen.
Thank you for joining us. We really appreciate everyone's support. Hopefully we are able to reach our goal of $20,000 to support the Torrance Unified School District. So if you are able to contribute any amount, it's greatly appreciated. And to find more information out on the Torrance Education Foundation, please visit our website, tefforkids.org. Thank you so much and have a good evening.
Stay healthy and stay
healthy.
safe. Bye.
Finish.